My name is Daniel Cook, Eagle Scout and Vice Chief of Elections for the Hightone chapter of Taconic Lodge. This video is made in an attempt to inform Scouts and Scouters about conducting an online OA election.
Alright, so to begin installation for Zoom, you need to open your browser of choice. Once that's open, you need to go to zoom.us. Once you're here, you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. And down here in small text, you'll see Download Meetings Client. Click that, and you'll be taken here. Click Download. Hit Save. And now that's done, just run it. And now we wait on the Zoom installer. And now that it's installed, we are done. Now, in order to launch it in the future, you can go to your Start menu. And you should find it at the bottom under Zoom. This is a demonstration on how to join a Zoom cloud meeting. This is the same process as you will have on mobile. Hit Join a Meeting, type in your name, and the meeting ID that was given to you in an email or otherwise. This meeting has a password. Not all meetings will have passwords, but this one does. We are now in the waiting room. The host has to let us in order for us to enter the meeting. This isn't enabled all the time. As you can see, the host has let us in. We are now connecting to the Zoom meeting. We have now connected to the Zoom meeting.
All right, so you guys have already been briefed on who all is running for the election. So at this given point, we are going to do the election part. So each individual scout needs to put into the chat window the name of the person, Bill or John, and whether or not they're going to vote yes to be elected or no to not be elected. On my screen, I'm going to click chat, and you'll see here that it says to everyone. So if I put a thing in here, please vote for Bill or John. That goes to everyone. Please note right here, I am the host. I say that the participant can chat with the host only. What that means is that anything that they put in that chat window will only come to the host. No one else can see it. This has been verified to be so. If you use this, it makes it so much easier. Okay, that way you don't have to worry about who else sees it or what have you. This is supposed to be completely anonymous. It's supposed to be a blind poll. You put host only, no one else sees anybody else's answer. So make sure that says host only. All right. Now we're going to wait for everyone to vote. And if you happen to be the host, you better start taking notes because you're going to need to know how does everybody vote. And you'll see here, Walter Cook says, and it says privately, Bill yes, John no. So he is electing Bill into the OA, and he is not electing John in the OA. At that point, when everybody else is done, all of the participants are finished, You end the meeting, and that's it. Say a few words, say goodbye, thank you very much, what have you, and you're done. Record all of your answers. Make sure you have what you need. If not, make sure you clarify it before you end the meeting. So that's all for the meeting for the OA election. And at that point, we're going to end the meeting. Daniel, I'll see you in a bit. Thank you so much.
If after this you still have questions, please contact your OA troop representative or your scoutmaster.